Welcome to Giggle Tunes. Let's visit the happy farm and meet our animal friends. This is Cow. She gives us fresh milk to keep us strong and healthy. Moo moo. Sheep gives us warm wool for cozy clothes. This is Hen. She gives yummy eggs for our breakfast. Horse runs very fast. He helps the farmer carry big loads. Goat gives us milk and loves to jump, jump, jump. Rabbit loves carrots. These are ducks. Ducks love to swim in the water. Look at the baby ducklings, so cute. Quack, 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 they sing while swimming. Let's clap for our dancing ducks. This is a bull. Bulls are very strong and helpful on the farm. He pulls heavy carts and plows the fields. Wow, look at his big muscles. The bull is the farm's hero. This is a turkey. Turkeys have colorful feathers. They love to gobble and dance around. Listen, gobble, gobble, gobble. Our turkey is a real superstar. Let's dance with the hens. So smart and caring. Here's Piggy. He loves playing in the mud. Splish, splash! Great job, little farmers! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning on Giggle Tunes.